Okay, next problem. The lap joint is connected by three 20 mm diameter rivets. Assuming that the axial load P 50 kN is equally distributed among the three rivets. Find the shear stress in the rivet. Find the bearing stress. So, tanggalin ko lang to yung bearing stress. Palitan natin. At saka na to. Bearing stress, wala muna. Kasi hindi pa tayo nagbe-bearing. So, find the shear stress, the rivet, and then the maximum average tensile stress. So, pag tensile stress, that is also force over the area, which is the area is the perpendicular area dun sa force. So, first, ilang shear to? Ilan yung nasi-shear na bolts? So, that is 1, 2, 3. Tama? Kasi tatlo yung bolts, no? So, ibig sabihin, isa-solve mo yan, the shear stress is equal to the force over the area. So, ito times 3 mo yung area. Okay? So, ang sabi, meron daw P na 50 kN. So, ano binahanap? Shear stress. So, the shear stress is equal to P. That is equal to 50. So, gusto ko siya maging Newton. I-multiply ko lang ng 1,000 newtons. Divided by area. So, ano yung area natin? So, gamit naman 20 mm diameter. So, the area ng circle is pi over 4 d squared. So, that is pi over 4 d. So, the diameter natin na given is 20 squared. So, the shear stress is equal to magkano? That is 550 times 1,000 divided by the shear stress na 3 times pi over 4 times 20 squared. So, that is equal to 53.052 mega Pascal. Okay. Next question. Determine the maximum average tensile stress in each plate. So, paano to? Pagka average shear stress. Di ba ang average shear stress, yung maximum, no? That is the force over the area. Kaso, saan ba mag-act yung tensile stress, no? So, kapag may bolts kayo, na imagine niyo may plate kayo, tapos may bolt sa gitna, saan siya masisira? Sa may bolts, tama? So, for example, ayan yung bolts natin. Ay, Barbie. Ayan. Ito, dito siya masisira. Tama. No? So, ngayon, yung magiging cross-sectional area natin dyan, di ba ito yung plate natin? Nandiyan dyan. Mas may butas yan. Tama? Ayan. So, di ba ang distance nito is 130. Ang thickness nito ay 25. So, tapos yung force natin, ito, tama? Hinihila. So, ano yung cross-sectional area niya? Ito ba yon? Tapos may butas siya, di ba? Na 20. So, paano natin kukunin yung area ng rectangle? So, the shear stress is equal to the force over the area. Ang force natin is also 50. So, gawin ko lang Newton. So, times ko ng 1,000 Newton. So, kapag kilonewton, times nyo ng 1,000 na para maging Newton. Okay? And then, ano yung area? So, the area is the thickness times the length. So, that is 25. 25 multiplied by the length na 130 minus 20. Bakit minus ng 20? Kasi butas yan, di ba? So, magkano yung stress? So, that is equal to, papalitan ko lang yung area sa ilalim. That is equal to 25 times 110. So, the answer is 18.182 megapascal.